Sup Lemmings, Dirt Diesel here. Apparently, somebody's live stream, they said that people that don't share their face or don't do anything, well, kind of like the Wizard of Oz, I don't show my face. Don't need to. I'm not monetized. And who's gonna like sponsor this ugly mug? Nobody. Anyway, but I do things. If you watch my page, anyway. Shim's rusted out. So, starting off with hood alignment with the washers. The front bolt I'm not doing because the bracket is slightly bent outward, so it doesn't need washer there yet. And where the red tube is pointing, I have to cut down the fiberglass. Anyway, 50 seconds, so Dirt Diesel is going to sign off for now. Oh yeah, some kind of third person thing, but that's not third person. As always, drivers, stop driving dirty.